Wish you a very good morning, students. Hope you all are good. Students, today we are going to start the reading of chapter 9. Let's celebrate. In this chapter, we are going to read about different occasions when we celebrate festivals and what do we do on those festivals, how do we decorate our houses, and what special dishes we prepare to celebrate that ceremonies. So let us start with chapter 9. Now here on this page, page number 90, you have to circle the words whatever you do while playing with your friends. Whether you play games, you sing songs, okay, you prepare foods, whatsoever you do, you have to circle in the grid. Now let us start with the reading part here. Dora and her friends are in the park. So there is a girl named Dora and she is in the park and she is with her friends. Dora, I will go home and help mummy bake a cake. It is a special cake. So Dora says that she will go home and help her mother to make a cake, to bake a cake that will be a special cake. Why it will be a special? Alia asks, why is it a special cake? Dora, we bake it for Christmas. We celebrate Christmas on 25th December. It is the birthday of Jesus Christ. So here is the reason why the cake is special, because it will be baked on Christmas. That's why it is special, and they will bake it on the birthday of Jesus Christ. The children think of the cake and lick their lips. So, thinking of the cakes, children love to eat it. That's why they move their tongue and they start licking their lips. Okay. Then, Eva, on Navroz, we make a special sweet that is called ravo. Okay, that sweet is called ravo. And Onik, what is Navroz? Now another child asks, what is Navroz? Then Ava again says, and Navroz is the Parsi New Year. Okay, as we celebrate New Year on 1st January, so Ava tells Navroz is the Parsi New Year, and we decorate our houses and have fun with friends. On that occasion, they decorate their houses and they have fun with their friends. Then Jassi, festivals are such fun. I enjoy all festivals with my family. We celebrate Guru Nanak Jayanti. It is Guru Nanak's birthday. We go to Gurdwara. Then Jesse says that all the festivals are full of fun and all the kids and elders enjoy the festivals, and because Jesse belongs to Sikh community, so he celebrates Guru Nanak's birthday, that is Guru Nanak Jayanti, and they go to Gurudwara on that day and celebrate it. Then Alia says, I love Eid. It comes after Ramadan. Ramadan is a month of fasting. On the day of Eid, what do? They celebrate it after the occasion of Ramadan, and on that occasion, we give clothes and food to the poor. Okay, they give clothes and foods to poor people on Eid. We have a special sweet called Sivain. Then we wear new clothes. Okay, there are Sivaya, that is a special sweet dish that is prepared on Eid in Muslim community. Then Veer says the festival I like the most is Diwali. It is the festival of lights. We says his favorite festival is Diwali, and Diwali is called to be the festival of lights. And we decorate a house with candles and diyas. We eat sweets and wear new clothes. On Diwali, everybody wears new clothes and exchange sweets also. Ravi says, I love Holi. It is the festival of colors. We play with natural colors. Holi is such fun. Then another child, Ravi, explains about his favorite festival, that is Holi. And what do we do on Holi? We play with different colors. Okay, and we what how should we play? We should play with natural colors, and Holi becomes such a fun this way. Then all says together, we love all festivals. So that was the chapter. Now we have exercise part. In part A, there are question answers which we'll do in the notebook. Then in the part B, who said this? Name the children. Number 1 is, I will go home and help mummy bake a cake. Who said this? Dora. Then number 2, on Navroz we make a special sweet called Ravo. Eva says this. Then it comes after Ramazan. Alia. Alia said this. It is the festival of lights. Veer. In part C, we have read the names of festivals and number the pictures. In this picture, number 1, we have Bihu. Okay, number 1, Bihu is there. So which picture is there? That has been circled. Okay, then and number 2 is Pongal, number 3 Diwali, and number 4 Eid. Now on next page, part D is there. What you have to do there? First of all, you have to read the rhyming words. Then you have to fill in the blanks with the words from the word wall. Number 1, we have Ravi will dash his uniform to school. Ravi will wear. Okay, let us dash in the park. Let us meet in the park. Neha wore a dash dress. Neha wore a pink dress. Please call the doctor. Grandma is dash. Grandma is sick. Then in part E, what you have to do? Change the first letter of each word to make a new word. Read the clues in the brackets for help. Number 1 is play. So in place of play, if you will exchange P with any letter, so in the bracket you have been given clue something you play with. So it will be clay. Okay, play, clay. Then house, in the bracket you have been given a small animal, mouse. A house and mouse, only first letter has been changed. This you have to take care. Sweet, tweet. Ear, bear. Love, dove. Silk, milk. Let's move on. Now in part F, write 2 rhyming words for each word. Number 1 is hat. Okay, so 2 rhyming words will be bat, cat, man, fan, pan, cook, book, hook. Then part G is cut here. Then in part H, you have to do matching. Okay, match the words that go together. Read them aloud. Paper and what will become? Okay, paper and pencil. Okay, because we use pencil on paper, so they go together. So this way you have to match them. Then in part I, what you have to do? Use and to fill in the blanks, read the words. So you have to use the word and. A fruit and a vegetable, a table and a chair, a fork and a spoon, a cat and a mouse. This way you have to do this. then part J and K are cut. In part L, what you have to do, write about a festival you like, use the words from the box. So you have to write about a festival in your own words. This you have to do yourself. In part M is cut, then it's your homework. We have words to learn now. Okay, so this is your homework. You have to do this in your notebook. This is a picture which you have to explain. Okay, observe the given picture carefully and write few lines on it, and this is a picture composition. So that's all for now. Thank you. Have a nice day. God bless you.